Okay, I'm not sure if you can hear this. We got a racetrack right behind our house. Behind the woods behind our house. I don't know if you can hear it. It's like race cars are practicing for Saturday night's race. And they're sponsored by NASCAR, but they're like the smaller, downer leagues, stock cars and stuff, Maybe you can hear it, I'm not sure. But sometimes if you get like a lot of them, you can hear them real good. It sounds like it's in your yard. Yeah, but we got a racetrack, like, there's a woods between us and the racetrack behind our house. So, yeah, we hear a lot of excitement. Sometimes we go, sometimes we don't. Either way, if we don't go and they're having a race, we can still pretty much sit in the yard and we can hear like them announcing stuff and all that. But I'm gonna get off in here. Bye-bye.